hi, welcome back to my channel and this unboxing of this month's Glossy Box. This is August Glossy Box, and this is what the magazine looks like. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. This is the Swedish Glossy Box. This is the box that you will get in Sweden. So this is August Box in Sweden. Glossy Box is a Swedish company and they do actually send me these boxes as PR. This is not a sponsored video. I don't have to do this video unless I want to, but I thought since I was sitting here having this quite beautiful makeup on, and I did film this makeup and it is up here. Oh, you can see my ring light. I'll see what I can do about that in the future, because it is gonna be dark here soon because it's Sweden. We're getting into autumn, which means Sweden's getting dark. So this month's box is called Endless Summer. It's called Endless Summer and it comes in this regular pink Glossy Box. Glossy Box is a subscription box that is, like I said, a Swedish company, but it is available in a bunch of different countries, US included, and you will get a box monthly, and I don't know what it is in other countries, but it's really affordable in Sweden. You will get 5 products, either full size or deluxe samples. Sometimes you get extras like a snack or tampons or stuff like that. What else do I want to say? They come every month. They do have some limited edition boxes sometimes as well that you can buy as an additional box, and if you are a subscriber of Glossy Box you will be able to buy the box at a discounted price. So let me see what's in this. Okay, Endless Summer, sunshine on my mind. It looks like this. Let's see what the card says. It says hösten kan vänta! Utropstecken. Autumn can wait! Exclamation point. Vi behåller den sköna sommarkänslan lite längre. Med produkterna som du hittar i din Glossy Box ger vi dig alla förutsättningar för att få en endless summer. Njut av de sista semesterdagarna och gå tillbaka till vardagen med nytankad energi, redo för en härlig beauty-säsong tillsammans med oss. Stay glossy. We will keep the amazing summer feeling for a little longer with these products that you can find in your Glossy Box. We will give you all the tools needed to get an endless summer, enjoy the last vacation days, and go back to your vardag, go back to your everyday with newly filled energy, ready for a new beauty season together with us. Stay glossy. Oh, these are the products. Let me not peek on those. These are not necessarily the products that you will receive in your country, but this is it could be fun maybe to see like what you get in the Swedish Glossy Box and also see what kind of brands Glossy Box is working with. So let's see what we get. Ooh, Murad. Look at this. Bang Beauty. Oh, you get a deodorant. That is amazing because I am actually out of my deodorants. Okay, so this is the Nivea. We call it Nivea in Swedish. Nivea? Nivea? No, that sounds awful. Nivea. Nivea Dry Fresh 48 hours protection antiperspirant. Antiperspirant. Antibacterial. Why is this new? I don't know why this is new. Ooh. Smells very fresh. I have a bit of hay fever, like hay allergy, like grass allergy, and they are cutting the grass, like the hay, like crazy in Sweden, so kind of dying over here. Let me also check this. Oh, wow, this is not working out for me. Stop it. This Murad. This is the Age Reform AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Ooh. To use AM and PM, massage over dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry. So this is like an exfoliating cleanser that you can use morning and night. I wonder how much this is. Original product is 200 milliliters and 550 crowns. That's like $60. And this is 30 milliliters. So this is like, oh yeah, this is not that much then. It's like a sixth. So it's a deluxe sample, but I still think that this is quite an okay deluxe sample. I could definitely get quite some uses out of this to see if this is something for me. The deodorant, I mean, Nivea is not that expensive. It's 36 Swedish crowns. What is that, like $4? Maybe something like that. Let me see this Bang Beauty Bang Beauty. Bang Beauty. What is... That's all it says. What is... What is it? Oh, okay. Is this a... It looks like this, like a little pomade. Oh, I don't use pomades. Milk chocolate brow cream. And... Bye! I don't use tiny brushes like that. I need a long handle. I really need a long handle. Okay, so this didn't have a seal, but it hasn't been touched. Doesn't smell like anything. This could be my color, but I don't use brow pomades. Who do I know who would use this? I'm gonna give this to a friend because I'm sure that I have a friend that would like it. Would they like the brush as well? Oh well, that's lost. He doesn't live here anymore. So I'll just keep this here. I might have a friend who would want this because I don't use brow pomades, but I actually think that that's a really nice product to get in the box. Isn't that a nice product to get in the box? Because a pomade will last you for years. Or maybe not for years. For me, it will last me years because I don't use it. Okay, it will last you at least 6 months. Let's be honest. And if you dip some, what is it called? The Duraline by Inglot. If it dries up, you can always use a drop of that in it. Like, that's how Duraline works. And it will elongate and make it creamy again if it dries out. Okay, Laritzi Cosmetics Shade Sticks with an X, like Colourpop. Cruelty-free, paraben-free. What is this? It's a chubby stick in like a plastic, but it's like a brushed black. Is this a contour stick? Is this a contour stick? I could definitely use a contour stick. Why am I am making this really hard on myself. Is this a contour stick? Shade Sticks Aloha. Creamy stick that will give you a subtle sun-kissed glow. Okay. So this is like, it says it is a bronzer, but look at this. Look at this hand, because I was cleaning a brush on my hand and now it looks like I caught something nasty. This is so... What? No. That was so creamy and so easy to blend. And look at that. What? Okay, this one. I love a contour stick. If it's just a contour stick, I don't want to have like a contour, like a kit or a palette. I want to have a stick. This could be something really nice because this really blended nicely. And it wasn't too dark and it wasn't too warm, but it also wasn't too cool. Like, I don't want to have anything gray. I'm not trying to get a role on like The Walking Dead. Like, please let me look alive. Okay, so there's one more product here and then there seems to be like a sample. Your glossy gift, it says. Your gift, limited edition muesli. Is it called muesli in English as well? No, it's called granola. Oh, did you know that granola is called muesli in Swedish? I think in German as well. Okay. Wait. My Muesli is the world's first company where you can mix your own personal muesli. If I order from them, I will get the limited edition Glossy Box muesli as a free thing with my order. What? Okay, so if I order from this place, I will get this one for free. Maybe I'll try this. Maybe I will try this. Oh, and this flower here, I know this. This means that they are like ecological, like they are eco-certified, like officially eco-certified within the EU. So it's like a green company, which is nice. I really like that. Okay, so that's, you know what? I think I'll use this. I like granola. I like yogurt and I like granola and I like bringing it to work to have on fika. Swedish fika at work. This is the... Do you see that this is two-toned? See that it like... This is the Nail Medic Rejuvenator Nail and Cuticle Energizer. Oh god, I need this. Need this like I need air. Give your nails the best care with Nail Medic. This luxurious and youthful formula. Hello. Has a blah blah blah, oils, extracts, vitamins, repair damaged nails and cuticles. Thank you. I need that. Okay, so I'm just let me see, because I need this. My hands and nails are like they're in pain. It's like struggle bus here after summer. Ooh. This smells like, you know what this smells like? This smells like cheap children's perfume. Not in a bad way. It smells like scented dolls that you would give kids. Not necessarily in a bad way. Okay, it went in pretty nice. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this, and I need this. That was good. Okay, so I thought that this was a good box. And how much was this? 72 crowns, that is like $10? That's a good one. It's a good one. And the sticks was 215 crowns, which is like $25? Maybe? So that was a nice thing. And the eyebrow cream was like the same, 200 crowns, like $25. This was a good box. I am so excited about this one. I needed a new deodorant. I'm so excited to try this one. The sticks, it seemed so promising. And even though I don't use a brow pomade, I do know that I have some friends that might enjoy this. This was such a good box. And I even liked the extra. I even liked the granola. I like granola. I'm gonna go check on this now. This was nice. I like this box. This was a good box. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. They did so many boxes PR. I have a code with them that will save you, is it 10 or 20% if you sign up for a subscription. It is only viable in Sweden though. I don't make any money from that code. It's not affiliated. It's just a discount code for you if you are interested in trying this box. I like my box this month. This was a good box. I think I'm interested in all of the things except the pomade. That was awesome. I like that. So yeah, that was everything for this month. If you enjoyed this box as well, if you're interested in Glossy Box, don't forget to check out the link below to check out if Glossy Box is available in your country, because they are available in a bunch of countries. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next video, which will most probably be tomorrow, because I do upload quite a lot of videos on my channel. I think like 5 a week now, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!